Today I want to share with you a real success story. This young lady came to me because her hair had been braided up for almost 5 months, and you already know it matted up. And so before anybody judges this situation, that's why I am here, to educate in these type of situations. See, life happens, depression happens, feeling overwhelmed, it happens. Hair doesn't just mat up because somebody doesn't care. Sometimes hair mats up because somebody is trying to survive, raise their kids, go to school, and just do their very best. And see, my job is not to make anybody feel ashamed or, be discouraged. My job is to restore hair and protect hair and then educate my customers on how to better take care of the hair. So the very first thing that I did is I used our Unlock Hair Detangling Conditioner. So we just did a shampoo, completely combed through. All we have in there now is Unlock. Do you see this, people? Do you see? Yay! And it's just combing right through it.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is...
I have to send that to my mom.
I promise you, it is light.
Buy 10 million bottles of that.
Yeah. And it's really... we tell people to take your braids down with it.
Yeah.
But then put your braids up with it. It's
That's
a pure hydrator for your scalp and hair.
Mm.
And it stops all that snapping and breaking. What it does is it makes your hair stretch out versus boom, break, snap. Yeah.
Yeah, I see it. It's actually a lot longer too. Like when it's, yeah.
Now that we got the hair safely combed out, again, we gave the moisturizer retention shampoo and conditioner. We then followed it up with an anti-hair breakage serum or mask that we placed on her hair, and then we rinsed that out and put more Unlock into her hair and blow dried it in. Now I just give her a braid down. I prep her hair for this beautiful 28-inch blonde wig, and we're doing the install now. We are using the Lockdown glue adhesive by La Hoste Beauty as well. We're now okay. We put the band down. We do everything that we know to do to make her look so natural. Once we give her all that she needs doing the wet work, we knew that putting the wig on, making her look and feel amazing was the easiest part. The conditioning part was so important because her hair needed to be softened and more manageable and still intact. That's the goal. After we braid it down, we put the wig on. This is what she looks like. My job is to protect hair, style hair, because it's essential. Once hair has gone through this much trauma, it is essential for recovery. And that's why using the right products for the right situation is going to give you your best results. I'm so proud of our moisture retention shampoo and conditioner. Unlock your beauty with La Hoste hair care products. See you in the next video.